talk to you about PowerPoint, some tips to help you be more effective with your PowerPoint. We've all heard of death by PowerPoint, and we've seen those PowerPoint slides that are boring. So here's some tips to help you be more effective, more influential, and have impact with your audience with your PowerPoint slides. Fundamentally, PowerPoint is for your audience, and it enables them to grasp, get a better idea of what you're saying. The first tip, keep it simple. Don't put too much onto a PowerPoint slide. Keep it simple so a quick glance and the message pops. Choose your colors carefully. I use dark blue, light blue, and that's my corporate colors. And I ensure and I test that everything pops, is easy to read. I've seen white font on a background that can't be read. So make sure the font colors and the colors of your graphs, your pictures are all consistent and easy to read. Speaking of fonts, I always go a big font, as big as I can for that particular slide. There's nothing worse than people being unable to read what you've got on your PowerPoint slide. Number 4, I prefer images, models, charts than words. I think that bullet point word, bullet point word, bullet point word is shooting your audience to death, one bullet at a time. And it also promotes reading off your slides as opposed to looking at a graph or a model or a picture and then speaking conversationally. And finally, I like to be consistent in my PowerPoint slides. So I choose a framework, a color scheme, a font, and I carry that all the way through my slides. Keep it simple. Choose a color that suits you but is easy to see. Select a font, preferably a big, easy to read font. Images more so than words, and keep that consistent across all your PowerPoint slides, and that'll help your PowerPoint slides pop. This is Peter Dew, public speaking trainer and coach.